So now let us start with the discovery of our devices. This is our DNA Center homepage, as you can see. Let us go to the hamburger menu on the left hand side, the tools part, and here is the discovery. To discover a new device, we do add discovery here. We give it a name. Since we are discovering a WLC, we'll give it a demo_WLC. As you see, we have different types of discovery here. Firstly is the CDP, where you can enter the CDP neighbor IP address and then the CDP level. Also, we have the IP address range, where you can enter the from and the to IP address, and it will scan the entire network for the list of IP addresses. Also, you have an option of LLDP, where you can enter the IP address and the LLDP level. Let me start with the IP address range. I'll enter the IP. I'll be putting the same IP in the from and the to because I'm going to discover only just one device here. So now here you put out credentials, the CLI credentials, the SNMP credentials, and make sure for a 9800 WLC to be discovered, you should have your netconf port enabled here. And finally, click discover. So if you want to do discovery right now, do start, or also you can schedule a discovery at a later time. So let me start the discovery now. As you can see, the task has been submitted and it is going on. You can see the status here, it's starting. Now it shows in progress. And finally, we have a WLC which is discovered here. So let us go to the inventory to see where exactly is the WLC. So when I click view inventory, it opens the inventory part, which is a part of provision. And now let me find my WLC here, which I want to discover. Let me put a filter and mark it as a wireless controller. And as you see, this is the IP that we just discovered. So I want to now provision it and assign it to a site. So let me go to provision and assign device to site. So here you get the serial number of the device and the device type, and you also have an option to choose a site here. So let me go and choose Portugal, Lisbon, the building Orias, and I'll choose the floor 1 here. And I have to save it. And as I save it, I get an option of doing next, where I'll see the other details of the WLC. And after I have done that, I need to assign the device to site by clicking this assign button here. And as you see, the device has been assigned to site and the site has been updated. Also, if you go ahead, you can see the uptime, the last updated, resync interval, and so on.